Prompt engineering, prompt engineer. Prompt engineer wrote.
What if I told you that prompt engineering has no real value in 2025? Would you believe me? You go to ChatGPT to write an email or an article or use any image or video tool to create content. Today, even a 5th grade student can write a prompt. And even if someone does not know English or lacks creativity, ChatGPT itself can give you a good prompt suggestion. So how can prompt engineering be considered an important skill when everyone knows how to write a good prompt? So in 2025 and the coming future, the most important skill will not be prompt engineering, it will be context engineering. I'm not the kind of person who just saw something on the internet and made a video on it. I have been working in AI for the past 3 years offering AI automation services, and I have built more than 100 AI agents. And based on that experience, I'm telling you, context engineering is the next big skill. And unlike prompt engineering, which is easy to learn, context engineering is not that easy to master. That's why context engineering is a skill that every employer will look for in your CV. This is the kind of skill that can take your startup or business to the next level. So let us understand what is context engineering. After the launch of ChatGPT, the last 2 years have seen a huge era of generative AI. People have been using AI tools for writing articles, generating images, creating videos, making presentations everywhere. And to use generative AI tools, the most important skill back then was writing prompts. Writing prompts became a trend. Prompt engineering became a trending skill. Until 2024, it was the AI content era, but most people were using it out of curiosity. Real business use cases were still very limited. People were only exploring what ChatGPT or any other AI tool could do, how to write a prompt to get a good response from these tools. So yes, prompt engineering was the main focus, but honestly, spend 15 days with ChatGPT and you will learn how to write a good prompt. Now in 2025, we have entered a new era, the Agentic AI era. Now we are talking about AI agents who work like full-time AI employees and multi-AI agents that can work together like a team, autonomously, without pause, without fatigue, 24/7, without any human involvement. This is where the role of a context engineer comes in. A context engineer's job is to design an AI system that is properly built, that works with the right features without errors, that is scalable, and that is fully optimized for both performance and cost. Now, let me give you a clear example so you understand the entire concept of context engineering. Let's say you have built a multi-AI agent system that works like your personal assistant and simplifies your daily life. This AI agent can read and reply to your emails, create PPTs, draft documents, book flights, schedule meetings, and instantly summarize any news article, video, or document. In my previous video, I gave a complete demo of this multi-agent AI assistant. It is a perfect video to understand how a multi-agent system works. Now, if you want to build such agents and expect them to be fast, efficient, error-free, scalable, and cost-effective, then the skill required to build this is context engineering. This is not just about writing prompts. This is a skill of giving the AI agent the right context at every step. That means right information, tools, and structure so it can complete the task properly. Let's begin this down with an easy flowchart. When you are building such an AI agent system, you need to ensure that it gets the right information in the right format at the right time. And here are the 7 components to build such a system. The reference is taken from this article. I have modified here to give you a better idea. As you can see, the first one is instructions or system prompt. This means telling the AI agent its role from the beginning. For example, you are a personal assistant, speak politely, keep responses short, and always confirm before booking anything. The system prompt is like the brain of your AI agent. It is a very important part that makes your agent efficient. This is where prompt engineering still plays a role and helps. Then second, as you can see, user prompt. This is the user's actual request. For example, like if you say, book me a flight to New York tomorrow morning. This is a real-time query. The AI agent needs to understand and respond instantly. Then third, state or history. That means short-term memory. This means remembering the recent conversations. If you earlier said, I have meeting at 9 a.m. and then later you asked to book a flight, the AI agent should remember to avoid morning flights. If there is no memory, it may suggest random flights. If there is memory, the agent will say, you are busy at 9 o'clock, should I check for afternoon flights? Then long-term memory. This means remembering old things. Like in the case of a personal assistant, your frequent flyer number, favorite airline, food preferences. So next time when you say book my flight, the agent does everything without asking again. Then next is RAG. Your agent will not know everything by default. So in many cases, you must provide external knowledge like company documents, your database, or business information. For example, if you say create a PPT for me, your AI agent will check your company folder, past decks, and company info and generate a perfect desk based on that. The next, as you can see, available tools. Your AI agent must have access to the right tools like your CRM, email accounts, social media accounts, or other AI tools. There are thousands of tools available for different use cases. You need to understand how to connect the right tools and how to get the best output from them. Your AI agent is nothing without tools. If you do not provide tools, it cannot complete any task. For example, if you say send a proposal to Sanjay Mehra, it will send the service proposal to Sanjay Mehra automatically by email or WhatsApp or other things. And the last, structured output. Sometimes you want a fixed format like a summary or a JSON response. For example, if you say send me my travel summary, your AI agent should not respond with 100 words paragraph. It should respond like this. Now, let me add one more important thing that will level up your context engineering skill, and that is cost optimization. Every time an AI agent responds, it uses API of different tools and tokens from LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, or other. And tokens are equal to cost. Every prompt and every response costs money. So a good context engineer's job is to optimize both performance and price. What you can do, you can use the right tool. So do not use a heavy LLM or for a small task. For example, if you want to format a date, a simple function is enough. Or you are creating ad creatives. So test 2 to 3 AI image tools and see which one gives better results at a lower price. Then avoid unnecessary tokens. Every time ChatGPT or another LLM is used, tokens are consumed. And if the reply also involves documents access, cost increases. So figure out how to minimize token usage while maintaining good responses. Now think about this. When all these components, that is system prompt, user request, memory, tools, structure, and cost awareness all work together perfectly, that is when you get a powerful AI agent or multi-agent AI systems, not a broken, weak setup. So the future is not just about writing prompts or learning different AI tools. The real skill is building the right context so that you can create smart, useful, and affordable AI agents. Prompt engineering is like learning how to drive a car. With some practice, you'll get it. But context engineering is like learning how to fly a plane. Driving is useful, sure, but if you want to build a career, what would you rather choose? A car driver or a pilot?